So one thing I didn't know is if you have some older headphones that you really like, but they are starting to fall apart, I didn't know that they made replacement pads that just stick right on. My old Beats Studios here, they're probably like 5 or 6 years old, and we're going to replace the pads on them. It's pretty much the same as this, and we're just going to switch them out. So this is kind of like halfway through. I also wanted to show you that you take this part off as well. It sounds a little scary because there's the same pieces in here. I took it off and then I'm just going to replace it. And when you're done, you're going to be left with that. I want to explain this though. You're right here. You're going to feel like a hard separation right here. And that's what you're trying to get through. It's glued in there pretty good, so you're going to have to get something sturdy. But right here is like the stiff part in the earmuff, and that's what you're trying to take off. That is in between these two. That's your actual headphone, so don't take that off. At the end of it, this is what you're going to be left with. New ear pads for your Studio Beats 3.